अरे घूरना बंद करो, पहले सब्सक्राइब करो।
Exercise 167. Let us consider a few points, comma, and I shall be content to leave the further consideration of the question to the reader, full stop. A great writer, comma, speaking on this subject of money, comma, points out that in view of a future exchange, money is, comma, as it were, comma, our security, full stop. For, comma, he says, comma, it is necessary that he who brings it should be able to get what he wants, full stop. If the reader will take into consideration the full meaning of the last sentence, comma, he will see that what he wants is but another way of saying what he desires, full stop. Again, comma, another authority declares that coined money is a kind of bill or order payable at the will of the bearer, full stop. In like manner, still another writer states that a coin must be considered as a bill upon all the tradesmen in the neighborhood, full stop. That is, comma, if I have received a coin for services rendered to somebody else, comma, I can have, comma, in return, comma, anything I desire which is equal in value to it, full stop. A fourth authority says money is a warrant which gives the bearer the right to draw from society when he desires services according to the value of the coin, full stop. Similar questions on the nature of money have been answered by various other writers in the same manner, comma, so that I have concluded that the definition referred to is tolerably accurate, comma, and it cannot be said that I have come to an unsatisfactory conclusion, comma, and I hope you are satisfied, full stop. Nowadays, most of the transactions of commercial and industrial life are carried out as far as possible by means of various forms of paper money, comma, the most important of which in this country is the check currency, with which our banking system provides us, full stop.